freedom and peaceful assembly and of association, and the Special Rapporteur on the promotion and protection of human rights and fundamental freedoms. Mr. Khurram Parvez, who is the program coordinator of the Jammu and Kashmir Coalition of Civil Society, JKCSS, and Mr. Irfan Mehraj, a researcher with JKCSS, are detained in Rohini prison in New Delhi. The UN special procedures have expressed concern that their arrests and detention are designed to delegitimize their human rights work and to obstruct monitoring of the human rights situation in IIOJK. The communication by the UN special procedures is yet another indictment of the Indian occupation authorities in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir as it continues to silence and harass Kashmiri human rights defenders. We urge India to bring an end to the unjustified and illegal detention of Mr. Khurram Parvez and Mr. Irfan Mehraj and numerous other Kashmiri activists who are languishing in jails for raising their voice against Indian oppression. I thank you.